Airbus A320-200 cabin crew. I would like to thank you all for flying with us this Tuesday morning. Once again from Philippine Airlines, thank you, mabuhay, and have a nice day.
We are in Cagayan de Oro, but we are proceeding to Bukidnon. Nabangi ko palihog, ayaw ko kalimti.
Tama.
Ayo-ayo.
Oh, you have YouTube and all that?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
entitled K-Tube. You go to ktubed.multiply.com.
So savvy now, huh, these kids. They're your generation.
It's her idea. It was her idea.
Everyone knows how to just play around with this technology. And, well, even Saturn now is on YouTube, so what can you say?
Eric has a PhD in political science, ba?
Yes. So I'm actually the teacher, the teacher politician.
Are you the only PhD holder
in Congress? Yes. This is Mount Kitanglan. Kitanglan. It's the headwaters of all the major rivers of Bukidnon and Mindanao. You know, the Cagayan River, the Agusan River, the Tagolwan River. Bukidnon kasi is the heartland of Mindanao. Even if you look at the map, it's the heart. It's even shaped like a heart. So you have all the water systems, the watersheds, the rivers. This is Mangima Canyon.
Maayad hama salum sa inyo alan.
Yeah, that's the Pino. Yes, inyong kaninyong tanan. Mga kaigsunan is mga sulod, which is like all my brothers, my brethren.
Mga sulod.
S-U-L-O-D. Bukidnon is actually the only province named after an indigenous culture. Bukidnon, Higaonon, Manobo, the 7 tribes. Matigsalog, Umayamnon, Tigwahanan, and Talaandig.
Can I borrow your pen again?
Sure. So when I speak, I really learned as much of the Bigungkit as I could. It's so effective. Even just going around kasi instant connection.
Forest, show the beauty of the forest.
The sleeping giant. It's Sumilao, Bukidnon, and that's on its so-called ear, the ear area is the deep Sumalsag cave. You can enter from the other side of the ear and get out on the other side.
Itong last year lang, 2006, 10 years spending, 15 years spending, 18 years spending na resolve.
Sila gayon ang nakasabot sa unsay ilang mga mulong o kangayan pagkabuhaton. It will be a thoroughly consultative governance.
Yung balang araw, kita na yan, yung mga killings ng media,
mga plano,
killing, smuggling, tax evasion.
Tabangan gayud ang mga komunidad sa maniining Gawad Kalinga kay kani ang ehemplo sa atong pagka-Pilipino, di ba mga kabataan? Palakpakan nato ang Gawad Kalinga.
buntag. Do you wanna eat?
Yep.
This is Benji shorts.
Whose shorts?
Benji. I'm supposed to use his shorts. Pero masyadong ano eh. Ayun, no?
You were supposed to wear that.
Oo, eh, parang... Pero parang hindi ako komportable sa view. It's a responsibility ng public officials din, national thinkers, na suportahan yung local tourism at hikayatin ang ating mga kababayan na to patronize our own beautiful beaches, resorts, tourist attractions. That way you help the local tourist industry, and at the same time you expose our voters, ang mga kababayan natin, to yung magagandang tanawin at magagandang pwedeng mapuntahan sa ating bansa. Hindi naman kasi pwede ring pukpukan ng kampanya. You also need to renew and recharge. So, kumbaga kailangan may balance ka rin kasi hindi naman ito 100-meter dash. Ito ay marathon, ika nga. So, kailangan may pacing. Ayaw kong kalimti. Strike. Ayaw ko ng mga kampanya muna.
Text na lang tayo.
Oo. Masaya yung mga isna. Sabi nila, hindi daw nila ako makakalimutan. At hindi lang iboboto, ikakampanya pa sa ibang isda.